Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Welcome once again to your EVS online class. I am Asha Santosh, your EVS teacher. You will be very much aware about the present situation of our state. Isn't it? You are hearing the news from the television and all. What is the present situation of our state? Yes, the number of COVID-19 affected people are increasing day by day. So for our safety, we are moving on with this online classes. So make use of it. So children, study well and complete your work and follow the instructions given by our government. And stay safe at home. Okay children? Hope all are reading your textbook every day. Let us start today's session. Before that, let us recollect the things which we have discussed in our previous classes. So we have finished our second and third chapters. Now we are discussing about our fourth chapter, saving the environment. Environment means the surroundings which we live. Both living and non-living things are present in our surroundings. Next we discussed about pollution. Pollution is of three main types. They are land pollution, water pollution and air pollution. So we have finished land pollution and water pollution. Now we have to discuss about air pollution. Then today we are going to discuss about air pollution. Okay children, then let's start. We have discussed about the causes and effects of the land pollution and water pollution in our previous classes. So here also we are going to discuss about the causes and effects of the air pollution. Which all things will pollute the air? Yes, the smoke which is coming out from the factories and vehicles make the air dirty. Okay. So the coal is the substance used in factories to run machines, and the petrol is the substance which is used to run vehicles. Isn't it? So the coal and petrol are the fuels in both places. So when these fuels burn, the toxic gas will come out. These toxic gases will pollute the air. Along with these, burning plastic also make the air pollute. Children, which gas is essential for us to breathe? Yes, oxygen. When these toxic gas which is coming out from both factories and vehicles will mix with the air. So the air also become toxic. We will not get enough oxygen to breathe. Instead of oxygen, we will breathe the toxic gases. What will be the result? Yes, it will cause the breathing problem and skin diseases. So the air pollution makes the breathing problems and skin diseases. Children, as we learned before, the plants can clean our air by absorbing carbon dioxide from the air and releasing oxygen. So we have to plant more trees to purify the air.
Let's watch a video on air pollution.
one more pollution also there. That is noise pollution. It is not there in your textbook. So which all things will cause noise pollution? Yes, very loud noise from the vehicles, factories, from the speakers. These all will make the noise pollute. So it will affect our ear. It will cause ear problem. Hope all of you have understood topic pollution. Three types of pollution. Land pollution or soil pollution. Both are same. Land pollution or soil pollution. Then water pollution and air pollution. You have to study the causes and effects of these pollutions. Let us conclude today's session. Read the textbook and study the notes. Which all notes you have to study, I will mention as usual. We'll see in our next class. Take care and goodbye.